Is the screen getting smaller or my eyes getting weaker? I don't know about you, but it appears that the font size in Microsoft Outlook is getting smaller as I age. So, I'm going to correct it by using conditional formatting. Here's how I do it. I go to the View tab in the ribbon, and I go to the Current View group, and I click on View Settings. This will take you to the Advanced View Settings preview. This is where I'm going to find my conditional formatting option. When I give it a click, you're going to see a list in this conditional formatting dialog box, a list of rules for this view. Now, the two rules that I want to change is for the unread messages that are coming in, as well as for the read messages that I do read. I want to make them larger than the default, so they're easier on my eyes. Here's how I do it. Let's start with unread messages. Down here, you'll see the font on my computer is 8-point Arial. I want to bump it up a little bit. So I'm going to click on Font and change the font size to be 10. Now you can see a sample of this in the sample area down below, so if you want to adjust it and make it a little larger, you can. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm going to change the read emails that come in, that I've read. I'm going to click on Font and change that as well to B12. And this time I might even want to change the color slightly, maybe to a navy blue, so I can easily tell that I've actually read these emails. And you'll see a sample of what it will look like. So now let's try it out. When I click on OK, and click on OK again, click on OK one more time, you're going to see that the font size has adjusted to be the font size that I've outlined in conditional formatting. When I select an email, as this one is a red file up here, the first one, you're going to see that it's in blue. So I can automatically see that I've actually read that file, and it's a little larger. Easier on the eyes, easier on my time.